Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on the Mound Vault by Bunny.
Welcome back to the Real Crypto Space, and as Louis said, that's what we're going to be talking about in this video, and this is not financial advice. We'll be talking about why this is great for cryptocurrency and what is going to be happening in the future for it potentially.
But before we get into that video, please may I say that only 5.6% of you that watch our videos are actually subscribed to the channel. So if you could press that red subscribe button, that would really help out a lot. And also, thank you very much for 200 subscribers. This means a lot. We never thought we'd get that far so quick as well. So thank you. So this is the MND vault, and the way you will need to actually put your bunny into the MND vault. So first of all, what you're actually doing is it's the bunny you're putting in is being exchanged for MND, and that is what you'll get in return when this is over. And I believe it will take up to 1 to 6 months for it will be locked for. Your bunny will be locked for 1 to 6 months.
Alright, so first of all, you need to have a MetaMask wallet or a Binance Smart Chain wallet, and they're easy to make. You just need to create a wallet and write down your backup phrase, keep it safe, remember your private keys. You can find that on the settings, and once you do that, you just send BNB through either Binance, Crypto.com, or even Coinbase, all these apps that you can do, KuCoin, and you just send it to your MetaMask wallet through the Binance Smart Chain. And after you do that, you go on a PanCake swap website, which is a good website to exchange your BNB for Bunny. I would always recommend you have around $5 in your BNB just to cover fees. And the Binance Smart Chain only uses like 10 pence fees, 15 pence fees per transaction, which is better than Ethereum fees, because Ethereum can go all the way to, I've seen people do £20,000 transactions just from the fees, and they're just trying to swap one thing for another, and it's crazy. So Binance Smart Chain has made it better for everyone to swap their coins with low fees. So once you're on this platform, the exchange area, you find BNB and you find Bunny, and you can exchange as much BNB into Bunny. So let's say you have 1 BNB, which is around $300 current market price. One Bunny is around $15. You'll approximately get around 20 bunnies, I'm pretty sure, for your 1 BNB value. So that's very good. And you must always have a little bit of BNB spare just to cover fees. And once you have Bunny, that's how you can get involved in the MDX vault.
So the whole reason for MND is because if you don't know about it, Bunny had a flash loan attack in May, where it went down from $500 to about $15. So it's seriously been crushed. And how they are giving back to the people that lost money during this Bunny, they've created this, and what they have done is they've put $25 million in value from Bunny into the mound. So they've put their own 25 million tokens, $25 million, sorry, not tokens, into the mound already to help give back the losses, so everyone is compensated basically for the flash loan attack. So one of your worries may be that you're already in Bunny and you don't know whether it's a good idea to put your money into the MND vault, because to be honest, there is not much information out there. They could have given out a lot more information about this, so there is a big element of risk, but risk for high reward. So as you can see, we're on week 1. It commenced on the 28th of July, and week 1 ends on the 5th of July, and it will end on the 26th of July. So yeah, it's not too long. But as you can see, a lot of people are actually investing into the MND vault. There is $40 million in value into this vault, and it's only been there not even a week yet. It'll be a week tomorrow, so that's crazy that we've already got $40 million invested into this vault. So if you're worried about it, I'd say you should put a bit of your bunny into it, because the worry is that everyone's going to start selling their bunny to put into the MND vault, and then the bunny price will be going down. And right now the bunny price has had a nice jump, about 15% in the past 2 days. So if you sold, you would be at a profit, and then you could put it into MND vault as well. So it could be worth it, but it might be a bit more risky. But the fact that they're trying to compensate everyone makes it very, like, because whenever an exchange gets hacked or anything like that, or any pools get hacked, they usually will not compensate. It will just be a flat out scam. But with Bunny, they've actually tried to compensate everyone, and the only other exchange I've known that's actually done that was Binance when they got hacked. So this is very good. And another thing to mention, which should actually be in the Bunny video, is that Binance are also backing Bunny. They have invested their money behind Bunny. As you can see, one of the main important things about the MND token, sorry, is that it is so the MND token is a fixed volume utility token, and it is associated and backed by the total value of the MND vault, so how much is invested. So it's not a protocol token that is minted over time by block or by transaction. Now this is very good. Like this is very good. This is what we want for the vault, 100%. So right now we're in week one. So Bunny holders will begin to swap Bunny into the Mount Vault, which is what we are doing. Bunny that is committed during week one will assign 1.5x allocation units for a multiple of 1.5x. And then week two, it will be 1.25x, and then 1.1x, and then a 1x. So as you can see right now, as soon as you watch this video, because it's going out today, and it on the 4th, and it will week two commences tomorrow. So today could be our last day to be getting this 1.5 during week one. So it's perfect time now. So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed, and if you have, please make sure you can press that like button and also give it a subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you very much, and have a lovely rest of your day.